and today we're going to learn how to thread the versatile Juki HZL-LB5100 sewing machine. Step 1. Preparing the machine. First, turn your sewing machine on and make sure that the presser foot is up. Next, make sure the needle is in the upmost position. To do that, we're going to press the needle up-down feature twice. Start by putting the thread spool on the spool pin and secure it with the cap. Step 2. Winding the bobbin. Pull the thread through the bobbin winding tension disc, then grab an empty bobbin and guide the thread from inside out through the small hole. Next, place it onto the bobbin winder. Push the bobbin all the way to the right to engage the winding feature. You will notice that the digital display now shows a bobbin. Hold the thread up and push the arrow to start sewing. Wind the bobbin for a few seconds, then push the arrow again to stop winding. Trim the bobbin thread close to the bobbin and finish winding. The bobbin will stop spinning when it is full, but you'll notice that the machine is still running. Once the bobbin stops spinning, press the arrow again to stop the machine. Return the bobbin winder to its original position by moving the spindle to the left. Remove the bobbin and cut the thread. Step 3. Loading the bobbin. Guide the thread through the first notch on the front of the bobbin holder. You'll know you have it in the correct spot if the thread is pointing straight at you. Then draw the thread to the left, sliding it between the tension spring blades. Continue to draw the thread lightly away from you until the thread slips into the second notch. Attach the cover plate. Step 4. Threading the top thread. Now let's thread the machine. While holding the thread with your right hand, guide the thread through the upper thread guide with your left hand. Continue down and thread around the check spring holder, then back up. Firmly draw the thread from right to left over the take-up lever, then back down the left groove of the machine. There are 2 points at the bottom of the machine to thread. They are a bit hard to see. The first one is at the top of the needle assembly. You will guide the thread from right to left through this point. Next, from left to right, guide the thread behind the second needle thread guide. Step 5. Using the needle threader. Pull down on the gray tab on the left. Guide the thread around and under the hook to pull it to the right. Make sure you have the thread along the front side of this guide. Pull the thread up slightly and start to pull the gray tab. At the same time, let go of the thread so that the needle threader can pull the thread through the needle. While holding the top thread in place, press the needle up-down feature. Press the needle up-down feature again to gently pull up the top thread and bring the bobbin thread up too. Bring both threads under the presser foot and to the left. And that's it. Your Juki is now threaded and ready to sew. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy sewing! Please like and follow for more sewing machine tutorials.